Alright, so this is my $10 Harbor Freight air angle die grinder with a 100 grit abrasive on it. And right there, that's what they think a 24 grit grinding wheel, and that's the 100 grit with this little air die grinder. And pretty nice. It has pretty good weight to it. One problem I had was the little disc holder. I had to grind down the shank a little bit to get it to fit in this, but just had to grind down the top of it to get it to fit inside the little chuck. But here's a little demo. Gonna let my little 2-gallon air compressor fill back up. That's not too bad. I don't know how well you can see that, but definitely looks a lot better than just hitting it with a straight grinding wheel. What I really like is just the range of grit that you can get. It's pretty nice. It's a lot smoother than just that. Cleans it up a lot better. Won't leave as many deep scratches, especially if you're painting over it, which I don't know if I'll make a video on painting over this one day or not. My compressor's a little one, so it's not very good for using this thing on, but I got a bigger compressor at the shop. That is pretty nice right there. But yeah, all together with everything, it costs about I think it's about $25, because you have to buy this little disc holder and a little 5-pack of abrasive discs for $5, and the disc holder was like $4. But you know, tax and everything, and the little outlet thing, inlet, whatever. But yeah, there you have it.